How to make a TikTok video on the go. Using Adobe Premiere Rush. You can use pictures or videos in your video editor to start. All I have to do is crop or fit the footage to the aspect ratio. Everything else can be done in TikTok. Make sure the format is in 720 by 1280 or 1080 x 1920, as that's a true 9:16 aspect ratio. Now here's the fun part. Add a trending sound. In this one, I'll use a DMC safe song. Optional, add your on-screen text. Select text-to-speech and set the duration. Optional, set a filter for you video. Then add on-screen text again log. Now we're ready to add a description. Since this video is an iPhone tip, I'll title it as such. Trouble finding tags? Try looking on the Discover page on TikTok's website. Don't forget to add a cover title for your video. Also, don't forget to make sure high-quality uploads is on. Last but not least, and follow for more.